Hello friends, welcome to our channel Electrical Decodes. In this video, we are going to discuss about electrical motor starter and controllers as per the SEWA regulations. Before going to start this video, first of all, we have to understand what is electrical starter and controller. Starter is an electrical device that used to start or stop a electrical motor in a safe manner. So it's a device is used to start the motor and stop the motor in a device safe manner. So for that purpose, we are using the starter, and also it provides a low voltage and overcurrent protection to the motor. It provides low voltage and overcurrent protection to the motor. So next, this is what we are seeing here is a simple explanation for the starter. And next, when we are how we are going to use this starter. First of all, when you are going to start the motor, yani when the motor is start working, it gets more current from the power system, and it gets more than the full load current. So this will cause us to the excess heat and voltage drop in the system. So in order to reduce this phenomenon, in order to reduce this case, so we are using a starter as a current limiting and current limiting starting equipment in the system. So in our regulation, they introduce this term uh, current limiting starting equipment. So this is called a starter in as per this SEWA regulation. So next, they give some of the permissible starting current rating for all single phase motor above 1 HP, and three phase motors above 3 HP shall be provided with the starter to keep starting current in the following permissible limits. Actually, the below this box, the table what I show here is I get it from the SEWA regulation book. And here for single phase motor up to 1 HP to 5 HP, the full load current, yani the total permissible current for this is two times of the full load current. For example, your motor is 5 HP, your motor load is 5 HP, and the full load current is 10 ampere, for example, and the total permissible full load current for starting current for this is two times of full load current. It means 20 20 ampere will be a permissible full load current for this motor, 5 HP motor. Like that, for three phase motor also for less than 15 HP and 15 HP to 50 HP and above 50 HP, total full load maximum permissible current rating they are shown in this table. So if you have a starter, you have to set the range of up to this much value only. So next, the installation of single phase motor up to 5 HP and three phase motor up to 150 HP only normally permitted unless otherwise approved from SEWA. For example, the up to 150 HP motors only we can install in our premises with approval of SEWA. If it is what happen if it is more than 150 HP? If your load is more than 150 HP, you should get separate approval from the or separate discussion from the SEWA to install that motor in your premise. Next point, all motors above 1 HP shall be provided with automatic disconnection from supply for the below condition. Okay. So if your motor is more than 1 HP, it should have an automatic disconnection from supply. The automatic disconnection option for the two reason. First reason is an excess current flow. An excess current flow, it's more than the permissible value. And next point is drop in voltage of 15%. If anything happen in your system, so your voltage will drop some ranges, and it should not go the it's not go the higher than 15% of the your supply voltage. So after that control category, we have here as per the regulation two control category. One is the motor rating up to 11.25 kilowatts. It means 15 HP. So if your motor is under 15 HP, it can be connected through direct online starter with the overcurrent protection. If your load of motor is more than 11.25 kilowatt, it means more than 15 HP. It should be reduced. The starter should be the reduced voltage starting method type. It's like a star delta or auto transformer or VFP or whatever any approved arrangements from the any approved starters or controller approved by SEWA. So these two ratings, if you are a designer, you should understand these two. If you have 11.25 kilowatt, you can go for direct online starter with overcurrent protection. If you are having more than 11.25 kilowatt, you should follow this. You should follow this reduced voltage type. It's either star delta or auto transformer or any other VFP or any other starter in the list. We have so many list of starters in our regulation. You can follow that. So next, general requirement. General requirement here is motor shall be rated 415 volt and 50 hertz for three phase and 240 volt and 50 hertz for single phase. Why they are particularly mentioned this? Some of the motors will come for 400 volt and some motors will come for 380 volt for as a three phase. But that will not be acceptable for SEWA. It should be, if it is three phase motor, it should be in the nameplate, it should be mentioned 415 and 50 hertz. If it is single phase, it should be mentioned to 40 and 50 hertz. And another terminal box for the connection to give electrical connection in the motor, that is called, we called that one terminal box. The terminal box should be weatherproof and motor have more than 11.25 kilowatt shall be fitted with the thermostat thermostatic control elements within the motor to control when the temperature exceeds insulation class. Okay. So if your motor is more than 15 HP load, it should be have a thermostatic control element within the motor. Means in the motor itself, where the thermostatic control element we have to add to control the temperature exceeds insulation class. It means first of all we have to understand insulation class. What are the insulation class we will discuss in the separate next video. Yeah, it means insulation class means we have separate 7 8 classes, class A, B and Y, E, like this we have classes. All classes have a different this one yani, temperature rating. So the temperature rating is for our UAE is a class B. Class B means 130 degrees Celsius. So this insulation class of insulation for the motors and other systems, other equipments we will see in the next video. And I hope this video you will get about knowledge about this one electrical motor starter and designing of electrical motors in your drawing. And please do subscribe for our channel and for more videos also. Thank you.